How's everyone? Good. You seen Adelie today?
Yeah.
Love them. Adelie penguins are crazy. You watch them along the shoreline?
Yep.
Going this way, that way, I'm going to go in the water here. No, everybody's over here. It takes 10 Adelie penguins to make a decision. I promise you. Yeah? Hope Bay, up in there. How do they climb all the way up there? They swim 100 miles to go get their belly full of krill, and they get up there and they go, no, like I told you, you are an Olympic athlete penguin or you're dead. There's nobody going, hey, I'll help you up the hill. They're all coming and going, and they got it up in the tops. You probably heard them. They're calling for their mate to come back. Get up there, stop preening on the beach, get up here, take over the eggs. They're incubating right now. They're going to have their chicks in about 2 weeks, yeah, close to Christmas time. And then their chicks will grow up. I just showed you a little picture of a chick here later on. They're dark gray like that. Here's the parents, both parents taking care of them, just like all of our other penguins like that. Crossing the snow, you would think, well, we have a nest right here, let's go straight down to the beach. You don't want to jump in the water and hit a rock. So they got to go around the glacier, down where these channels are. So they're all standing there looking at the channel. They're a little bit nearsighted on land, right? Works underwater because they find food, but on land they're going, is that far? No, you go, you look. No, I'm not looking. You go. No, you go. No, you go. And then the guy goes, I'm going to the back. So he goes to the back. Here comes the leg. So it's good to be in the middle if you're if you're a Adelie. And because they're pushing in the back and the guy's like, come on, let's go, you know. You have to go eat and take care of the mate. So the mate's like, and you're like, I gotta go. She keeps calling and he keeps calling. We gotta go. Okay. So they're running around. They cross their bellies across the glaciers like that and running. They never stop. Somebody said, are they quiet? I said, no, they're like me. They never stop walking. And so they're coming down to the beach and they're looking up above and the guys are like, God, they keep coming. 10,000 pairs of them going on and on, looking at each other. Where do we go? I don't know. Who are those orange penguins out there? I don't know. We got to get in. You go. I'm not going. No, we got to go. And then they all just go down and they have, and then very little bathing, right? Out. Busy, busy, busy. And they don't even like to stand near each other. Like, just relax. They can't. They can't help it. So yeah, on the Zodiacs today, really, really good stuff up there. I think you saw some of them posing. They put their wings out. I think they're like, I can fly, I can fly. No, you can't fly. But they spend all of their time on pack ice. They love pack ice. You saw them jumping up and down out of the pack ice. They live, travel, eat, feed, winter under the pack ice. They love the ice. And well, they're crazy, okay? So here are a couple of close-up looks at them. This is the I've got a pebble, I'm the best. This is the discerning mate, like where have you been? It's been 4 days. This is the teacher look, like I don't think you know what you're doing. This is the straight on look, the parental look, like here we are, and this is the crazy look. Like, on the way and go, go, go. They're always going. Thank you very much. Good evening. Thank you, Ben.
Having fun.
Just a few more minutes.